where I live, somewhere in the forest in Colorado. See all that back there? That wasn't here whenever I moved here. Look at that wild hair! I can see it's going to be a noisy one, which I knew that it would be somewhat noisy. I didn't know how close people would try to move, but I want to show you something else. So I'm going to flip it around. There's just a really small space between that tree and my rig, and people were driving right through there when there's a whole road over there. See, they were driving through here instead, right here, trying to clip off my rig. So I put branches down. They still tried it. Seriously, people? Hello, this is Shalom on the Roam, out somewhere in Colorado, a popular ATV place. And I thought I'd show you what goes on here on the weekends. There's no sense of privacy or a private camp spot or anything like that. No, they park and camp right outside your door. So, as you can see, this is looking out my door through the crack. They're right here. Right here, you know, I don't know these people, but they, you know, they have the right to come and camp right here in my spot. Their dog came over to bother my dog, and like I said, first they drove right here real close to my rig to get in, and yeah, there's plenty of space out there with their friends, but they got to camp in my front yard. That's cool. All day long. Ready for the dust to settle and to have some peace and quiet. And so it goes. It's crazy around here. Shalom, y'all. Today I'm trying to do something that I do at all the campsites I visit, or at least try to do. I don't get it every single time, but it's something I hope you'll do too. I am picking up micro trash. Come on along. So it's a beautiful area. I've already picked up a partial bag full, and so we're going to continue on, and I'll show you some of what I'm talking about. So, like right here, that's not something that belongs here. So I'll be putting that in the trash bag, along with many other items. One of the things I've found a lot here has been bottle caps. Luckily, not too many cigarette butts, but some. Like there's one. Bottle cap. Some paper. What's that called? I can't think. So yeah, we'll pick up and make our area look a lot nicer. Look at that mushroom. It's a red one. I wonder what it is.
It's like a balloon.
It looks like a balloon.
Yeah.
It's a mushroom though, I can tell.
Shroom balloon.
Okay. And we're going to try to find out what this is.
What is this thing?
So we'll find out from Google. Still working on trash pickup, and I want to show you, I moved this can. Let me show you what's underneath it. Gross. Maggots. But the can itself, I'm confused. It doesn't feel full, but it doesn't feel empty either. Well, oh, they opened up just a little portion of it. Whatever it is, it's a product of Thailand, and the maggots are just going crazy. Gross. Well, I've cleaned up quite a lot. My bag is almost full, And my back hurts. So, if you want to see what the haul is, a couple of Coors cans, lots of baby wipes, lots of bottle caps, and then other odds and ends. Gross, people. Pick it up. Back it out. Look at the fox. Can you see the fox? It's got something in its mouth. It's going to hide too. Hello, fox. Is that a pretty fox? What do you got? And now a deer. What does he have on his antler? Oh, Jazzy can smell it, I guess. I'm driving my parents' car. The colors are changing every day. Getting stronger.
Bless you and keep you. Yahoo will make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. Yahoo will lift his countenance on